Welcome back to Car Alerts. In today's review, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting trucks hitting the market this year, the 2026 GMC Sierra 1800. If you're a fan of rugged trucks that blend cutting-edge technology, performance, and luxury, you're in for a treat. Let's break it down in detail. Exterior. We'll start with the exterior of the 2026 GMC Sierra 1800. This truck immediately makes a bold statement with its aggressive front fascia. The grille is massive and proudly showcases the GMC logo, surrounded by a combination of chrome accents and a sleek, blacked-out mesh finish. It's flanked by updated LED headlights with a futuristic design that offers sharper lighting and improved visibility. The headlights now feature GMC's signature C-shaped lighting pattern, but with a more dynamic twist, giving the truck an ultra-modern vibe. Below, you'll find a sturdy front bumper that integrates a skid plate, making it ready for off-road adventures while maintaining a polished look for urban environments. Moving along the side, the 2026 Sierra 1800 boasts muscular and well-defined body lines that emphasize its robust nature. The truck sits on massive alloy wheels, available in sizes ranging from 18 inches to an impressive 22 inches, depending on the trim. These wheels come with an all-new spoke design, which combines both functionality and aesthetics. The wheel arches are slightly flared and fitted with durable plastic cladding, adding an extra layer of protection and style. GMC also incorporated retractable running boards that deploy when the doors open, offering convenience without compromising the truck's rugged appearance. The side mirrors are power-folding, heated, and now include integrated cameras to assist with towing and parking. At the rear, the truck continues to impress with its redesigned tailgate, which features GMC's innovative Multi-Pro tailgate system. This system has been refined for 2026, offering even more configurations for loading, unloading, and tailgating. The tailgate also includes a built-in kicker sound system, perfect for outdoor gatherings. The rear taillights mimic the C-shaped design of the headlights and are fully LED, ensuring excellent visibility for vehicles behind you. The bumper is reinforced and includes integrated corner steps, making it easy to access the bed. Speaking of the bed, GMC offers a carbon fiber composite bed that's both lightweight and nearly indestructible, ensuring it can handle the toughest jobs. Interior. Stepping inside the cabin, you're greeted with a level of luxury that rivals some high-end SUVs. The interior of the 2026 GMC Sierra 1800 has been completely redesigned with premium materials and cutting-edge technology. The seats are wrapped in soft-touch leather, available in a variety of colors and patterns. Higher trims even offer quilted leather with contrast stitching for an ultra-luxurious feel. Both the driver and front passenger seats are heated, ventilated, and come with a massage function. The rear seats are equally comfortable, offering plenty of legroom and optional heating. The dashboard features a massive 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system running GMC's latest user interface. This system is responsive, easy to navigate, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa. Below the touchscreen, you'll find physical controls for essential functions like climate and audio, ensuring ease of use while driving. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, allowing you to prioritize the information that matters most to you. Additionally, there's an available heads-up display that projects key data onto the windshield. For audiophiles, the truck comes with a premium Bose sound system that delivers crystal-clear audio throughout the cabin. Storage solutions are abundant, with multiple compartments cleverly integrated into the cabin. The center console is massive and includes a wireless charging pad, cup holders, and additional USB ports. GMC also incorporated under-seat storage in the rear and hidden compartments behind the rear seatbacks, maximizing utility. The seats are crafted with high-quality leather, with options for perforated or quilted finishes depending on the trim level. GMC also offers a variety of color schemes, including subtle earthy tones and bold contrast options with accent stitching for a more dynamic look. Comfort takes center stage, with heated and ventilated front seats standard on most trims. Higher trims even come with a massage function, ensuring a relaxing experience on long drives. The rear seats aren't neglected either, they offer generous legroom, heated options, and a full flat configuration for increased cargo capacity when needed. Performance. Under the hood, the 2026 GMC Sierra 1800 offers a variety of powertrains to cater to different needs. The base engine is a turbocharged 2.7-liter four-cylinder that delivers impressive power and fuel efficiency. For those needing more muscle, GMC offers a 5.3-liter V8 and a 6.2-liter V8, both of which provide excellent towing capabilities and robust performance. Additionally, a new hybrid option pairs a 3.0-liter diesel engine with an electric motor, offering a perfect balance of power and efficiency. This hybrid system also includes regenerative braking and the ability to operate on electric power alone for short distances. All engines are mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission that ensures smooth shifts and optimal performance. The truck is available in both rear-wheel drive and four-wheel drive configurations. The four-wheel drive system features multiple drive modes, including off-road, tow/haul, and sport, allowing the Sierra 1800 to adapt to various terrains and driving conditions. GMC has also equipped the truck with an adaptive suspension system that adjusts to road conditions in real time, providing a comfortable and composed ride. A new addition for 2026 is a hybrid powertrain that combines a 3.0-liter diesel engine with an electric motor. This setup offers the perfect balance between power and efficiency. The hybrid system also includes regenerative braking and the ability to operate on electric power alone for short distances, which is great for reducing emissions and fuel consumption in city driving. When it comes to towing, the 2026 GMC Sierra 1800 doesn't disappoint. With the proper configuration, it can tow up to 13,000 pounds, making it one of the most capable trucks in its class. It also includes advanced trailering technologies such as a transparent trailer view, trailer sway control, and a new auto-leveling feature that ensures a stable and safe towing experience. As for pricing, the 2026 GMC Sierra 1800 starts at around $45,000 for the base model, which comes well equipped with plenty of standard features. The mid-tier trims, like the at4 and Denali, range from $60,000 to $75,000 and include off-road enhancements or additional luxury features, respectively. The top-of-the-line Denali Ultimate trim pushes the price tag to over $85,000 but offers unparalleled luxury, advanced tech, and all the bells and whistles you could ask for. To wrap things up, the 2026 GMC Sierra 1800 sets a new benchmark for what a modern truck can be. It combines rugged capability with cutting-edge technology, luxurious comfort, and a bold design that commands attention. Whether you need a dependable workhorse, a comfortable family hauler, or a stylish truck for weekend adventures, the Sierra 1800 has something to offer. Thanks for tuning in to Car Alerts. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think of the 2026 GMC Sierra 1800 and what vehicles you'd like us to cover next. See you in the next video.